Hi, my name is Laura Valentina. My course Valuation and Negotiation of Technology. Today is October 22nd. This activity is past through. This is my concept map victory, lack information of product cost, causes and consequences. No paper relieve information on form and cost on production. Sometimes you have to go to consult or a specialist with experience. Economy of scale. Surplus of their quality discontent and production costs are lower. Excessive production. Mismatched production. Longer response time change. More time to switch to new products. Delays in detecting quality problems, not having up-to-date and precisely determined cost figures, prevent effective pricing strategies, ability to perform smart and accurate cost analysis and competitor analysis. The competitiveness of the company decreases. Recommend to face the difficulty. Our first recommendation, the ideal will always be to obtain truthful and reliable information of prices of raw materials or prices of products in the market, studying the possibilities of entering to competence with good product characteristics in quality and price. As a second recommendation, the ideal would be that the company does not trust in producing mismatched production, that is, whenever it is possible to have precise figures at the time of production. With this, we will avoid losses, delays in quality detection, problems, and allow the creation of effective strategies. Thanks.